Hey, what's up guys, it's me David, back with another video, and I bring you fine folks, fantastic news today. Because today, we the tech enthusiasts, yes, you and me, we the tech enthusiasts have yet another reason to hate the horrendous keyboard on the MacBook Pro and the 12-inch MacBook. Yes, I'm talking about the butterfly key switches. Since their launch in 2015, the butterfly key switches have been the subject of immense hate by everyone, except for the couple of people who actually like it. The very careful listening viewer, like you, will be thinking this to yourself. But David, this is all we already know. We already know that the MacBook Pro and the 12-inch MacBook's keyboard sucks. And I would respond to you, yes, you're very correct about it being horrible, but it has another reason to be hated now. It breaks really easily. Now the specific problem in mind is that the keyboards are so shallow that if anything gets in between the key switches, even a crumb of bread, it will stop that key from actually recognizing your extremely fast strokes. Now that's a huge problem for a keyboard, and an even bigger problem if you paid $2,000+ for a laptop. And if you're on the 13-inch models, over $1,300. Either way, you're paying a significant amount of money and you're getting a product that's breaking. Now, if you've already bought a 12-inch MacBook or a MacBook Pro with the butterfly switches, be assured, because 2017 models are less prone to this issue than 2016 ones. If you have a 2016 MacBook Pro or a 2015 12-inch MacBook, you're a little out of luck. Try to keep anything that you possibly can out of the keyboard, because in normal mechanical switches, like Cherry MX switches, which are renowned for their extremely tactile feedback and satisfying clicks, there's a lot more travel than the butterfly switches, which have specifically been designed by Apple to be slim, not comfortable to type on. Of course, later models of the refined butterfly switches feel better than the early ones, like the 2016 ones. However, no matter which version of the butterfly switch that you have, it will still be prone to breakage because a little piece of dust or a little crumb of bread has just gone under the keys and you cannot physically jam on the keys. That's a huge problem, as you guys can tell. Imagine you're playing a video game on a MacBook, screw you, and you're trying to click WASD, and for some reason, a crumb of bread got under the W key. You're screwed. So what's the verdict? What's the final conclusion? Is Apple going to be beaten up in court? Or are they going to emerge successful and kind of tweak the keyboard a little bit and shove it back out of the production lines? Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, click the like button down below. And if you loved it, click the subscribe button. See you in the next one.